Welcome to Anyone Can Do This. My name is Floyd Wilson. Today we have to see what we have in our basket today to cook for you. Let's see what's in the basket this week. Oh, bok choy and garlic. Okay, this is gonna be a quick and easy dish too, I think. How to cook bok choy? Just cut them in half. Check them out. If you see any leaf that you don't like, discard it. Just cut it off. Because we don't waste food. It's too expensive. And these curlies, bam! Just crush it because I'm gonna throw these in there. All right, I'm just gonna get some water in it, wash it up, soak it. Okay, get some of the dirt out of it. But I just have it in the water just for a bit, you know, just to make sure any dirt or anything in there is gonna fall to the bottom. Okay, you don't want no sand in your food. You know what? You see this part here? If you don't like it, you cut it off, right? Cut it off. But nothing is waste. I pay for it, so it's coming. I'm gonna cook it. All right, take this water now, strain it off, and get to the stove. So we'll see. I'm gonna bring in one of my favorite fat to cook with, which is butter. And I know I'm doing bok choy, and somebody out there in the bok choy land, the bok choy police, is gonna say, "Oh, you don't use butter." Well, I'm using butter because I love it. So here we go. Butter is getting all nice and warm here and fuzzy. Okay. Add some hot sesame oil to it. Ooh! Oh, that's gonna be, let's say it's spicy garlic. So garlic here is gonna be sweating off in all that spice. So let's get hot. I'm gonna take my washed and clean bok choy and put it down there. You hear that sound? What you can do is, because it's splashing, what you can do is after you put it in there, you cover it. You cover it. Are you excited yet? No? So get excited, get inspired. I hope I inspire someone who's watching this video. Now, right now I cover it because it was splashing and I want to make sure you have some protection. And it's getting some color to it right now, okay? Let's take a look at it. So one thing I want to put here is salt. I like to cook it with salt right off the bat. Have to season while it's cooking so the salt could get into the vegetable or whatever you're cooking, okay? Because bok choy doesn't have a lot of moisture in it, right? So what I'm going to do for it to cook faster, I'm going to have some chicken stock because I have some chicken stock here. All right, let's cover it. So it's almost like steaming it here a bit, you know. It's doing its thing. So give it about 2 minutes and then we get back to it, okay? Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, these are looking fantastic. Okay, so cover it. I'm gonna turn it off. Look, I'm turning the stove off. Let's sit there for just 30 seconds and then we're gonna plate. Let's go to plating. Ooh, this smells so good. This is so good. It's all the good stuff in this pan. You don't make it stay there. You bring it together. Look here now. Let's get here. Wow. Cuts like butter. Yes! Amazing. Amazing. And they say bok choy only could be done one way. You could do anything you want to do. That's why I named this channel Anyone Can Do It. You can do it. I learn, you can learn. Just keep coming here. Thank you for watching Anyone Can Do It.